Welcome back to Will It Shoe. As our British fans will know, the weather here in the UK can be very unpredictable and temperamental. You can wake up here to clear skies just to get caught in a torrential downpour an hour later. A good waterproof is a must-have and a pair of wellies never go amiss. So we've decided to see if we can't combine the two and turn this fisherman's mac into a pair of our Stormont boots. The first rubberized raincoat dates back to the 1820s, with the yellow fast becoming popular amongst fishermen due to its high visibility. This particular raincoat is from Norwegian outdoorswear giant Helly Hansen, and as a more recent example, we're pretty sure this is just PVC and not properly rubberized cotton. But it is a nice thick weighty material that has a little bit of give, so theoretically it should hold up to the lasting processes quite well. But raincoat boots will be a first for the team, so it'll be really interesting to see how they get on. Oh. I mean, it's hard not to pull the first thing out as the fact that the material is not taut across the backing. I'm guessing it's just one of those things where it'll just spring back to the shape it wants to be and doesn't really agree with the lasting process. I wonder if, I mean, I can't quite remember. I think this was probably polyester or some synthetic material, but I wonder if a genuine...
Yeah, I think the cotton would work better.
Yeah.
So the issue is the adhesive just doesn't take to it at all.
I do think this would be worth a punt with an actual genuine rubberized cotton. Oliver's just said that it's the problem with the synthetics is that the adhesives we use just do not take. The fabric doesn't take to the adhesive, I should say. So yeah, you've got that backer in there and then you just get these soggy loose bits. But I don't think they look bad. I don't think it's a bad look. They look a bit worn in already. They don't look like a brand new shoe, but I might have said before, I'm not a fan of like an immaculate box fresh look, as you can probably tell. So that could work for me.
Yeah, I mean, if you think back, we did talk about doing a boot out of this.
Yes.
So I took the Mac to the team and said, make me a boot. And they said, no. They said it's not, the material isn't, because the boots we don't use a lining.
Right.
We cover the heel cant with a bit of lining, but the rest of it's unlined. So the leather has to be thick enough on its own to stand up. And they would have just created like a weird sock with a sole.
Shame. Yeah, because boots would be the one.
Yeah.
But do enjoy just like the stainless steel utilitarian rivets and the matching yellow laces. White sole just makes it pop. I think like that's what you want to see in a raincoat. The whole reason they were yellow to start with was the visibility. So I think they're really cool, but yeah, be interesting to see if they waterproof or not. Okay, so what I want to do is, once I've filmed this little bit, I want to go outside and pour some water on them because I need to know if they're waterproof. I hope you've got a change of socks because I ain't getting in these. So we'll put that up and we'll see whether or not they're waterproof. And I think that should be the conclusion of the video. Will it waterproof? See ya.